This unique private 2-story contemporary duplex is available to be leased as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This is within walking distance to the lake, boat ramp, and park. This has 2 levels with 2 private entrances. Downstairs is 1,300 square feet and has 2 split bedrooms and 2 full baths, a living room, and a large kitchen. Upstairs is 700 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath and living area, with a second kitchen. There is a beautiful iron gate at the entrance and the entire property is fenced. There is an extra storage building and a downstairs shared laundry room. There is also enough land to build in front of this property. The original home was built in 1965 and was removed. Don't wait to tour this property. Azle School District. Shopping, Home Depot, and restaurants are all within a 2-mile radius. Home also for sale or owner financing available.